Hello everybody, good morning from Schiphol Airport in Amsterdam. So basically I'm waiting for my flight to Singapore to attend GITEX Asia. So for those who watch this video, we are going to exhibit our product in GITEX Asia between 23rd until 25th of April 2025. I hope to see you all there. The reason why I quickly record this video is because apparently there are many people asking me these questions over Twitter and also LinkedIn over the past weekend because they all hear about the new open source GRC tool that of course promise can help organizations, companies to get certified faster, easier, and because it's open source, it's free, right? So the question is like, is that better compared to the expensive ones like maybe Drata, Fanta, or Friends, or why not FEHA also open source its technology? It's a difficult discussions, to be honest, for me personally. But the more GRC tools available in the market, as a professional, I'm happy. I'm welcoming everybody with open arms. The more people really trying to help companies, especially small businesses, startups, to get compliant with various standards the right way, I'm happy, right? With FEHA, for example, I don't have any plan to be the largest or the most used GRC software. It would be great, but that's never our intentions. We always believe that the more companies we can help, whether it's through our own software or using someone else's software, and help the whole digital environment becomes more trustworthy, I'm all in. Okay. But regarding open source or not open source or closed source, I think the biggest questions is, can you really use this tool to help you with your security program, with your privacy program? Because open source or not, if you don't understand how the tool works, what actually or how this tool can help you speed up your program, it doesn't matter. The reason why I said this is because open source GRC tools it's not just this month coming out in the market. There are plenty more GRC tools with open source concept as well in the past. And yeah, most people that I talk to, they found it very difficult to navigate. But of course, at the same time, there are also people who successfully use these open source tools with their program, right? So it always depends on you. So the question is, can you use these tools in such a way that it helps your organizations do your compliance faster, simpler, basically less headache than if you do it manually, right? If not, then the solution is not about open source or not. The solution is there someone in your company who understands how things work? And if not, hey, open your doors for people like us at FEHA or someone else who actually can guide you through this. A good consultant, in my opinion, is they are not bound to a tool, right? So if you have a consultant who said, oh, you have to use this tool or that tool, then I believe that's not the right fit for you. A good consultant is always, hey, this is your situation, why tool A is better? Oh, you have a different situation, then why tool B is better for you, right? So that's also the philosophy that we have at FEHA. There are some prospects that talk to me for the past 3 weeks. They tell me about their situations, what they need. I didn't tell them to go with FEHA's software. I told them, hey, I have a friend which software cover the framework that you need. Go with them. In case you need to internal audit, then come back to me. So that's what we do at FEHA. We are very transparent. We are playing nice with others, and that's what we believe. Because again, at FEHA, or the reason why we built the company in the first place, is that we want to help as many companies as possible to be compliant, to be mature, to grow their business, because now they are more trustworthy in front of their clients, the right way. The tool is just a tool. Open source or not, the tool is just a tool. So the question is, why FEHA is not open sourcing their tool? Simply because the way we design our GRC is not just for the sake of, getting compliance faster, easier, automating this, automating that. We also use several open source components, of course, in our platform. But of course, there's some uniqueness in our approach, especially because most of us are former auditors. So the idea of continuous auditing is something that very sacredly embedded in our platform, and we believe that is our unique selling point, that is our secret sauce, so to say. And at the end of the day, what we deliver to you, to our current customers, to our potential customers, are, advice, a journey. We don't really, let's say, price the tool for you to work with us. The pricing that we make is basically based on the value that we deliver to you. In fact, we believe that we deliver more value to all our clients compared to the price of the service itself that you have to pay. So for us, again, it's not about open source or not, because we deliver the service for you, and we would like to continue with that. So yes, in conclusion, FEHA is not open sourcing its tool. We work with open source community. We also tell people that this part of the module, for example, it's powered by a open source software. So we will never, claim the fame that we do everything ourselves. But overall, we would never sell our product as an open source tools. And again, back to the beginning, because the tool for us is also just a tool. We still and we will still support existing clients, new clients who said, Ferry, we still want to work with you, but we don't want to use your software. Fine, right? And yeah, so that's that, I think. So if you find the open source tools can fit your need, go with it. Test it, try it, use it. If not, you have alternatives. Whether you have enough budget or not, the market is very open right now for GRC tools. But remember, I always believe working with someone or a team that knows what to do, speed things up, make things better. And, sure, there are plenty of AI tools out there. There are a lot of open source information available out there. But if you don't have time to read every single one of them, or you don't know what to ask the AI tools to solve your problem, then, please open yourself to work with experts in your field, in your area, your friends that knows what to do with it. But of course, if not, don't forget to contact us. So I think that's my thought about this new open source GRC tools. I hope you can choose the best tools that fit your need. Again, don't fit your need with the tools that you buy, but choose the tool that fit your need. And until then, see you at other videos, okay? Bye-bye.